Hey friends, happy Friday. We are here to do another cash stuffing and I want to chit chat. This cash stuffing will be a little bit longer than my usual. My usuals are pretty quick and short, but I want to chit chat, and I also have a couple finished savings challenges to stuff. So why not do that today? Let me actually grab those now. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, I believe. So I think let's take care of these. Let's see. Actually, let's do rollover first. I'm gonna be kind of all over the place. Okay, so I don't want to bump you, but I want to chit chat with you guys. So I have been thinking a lot lately, and let's see, barely any change this time. I've been thinking about Etsy, you guys. That's what we're working with for change this time. And I just lately have been feeling very burnt out, okay? I feel, let's see what we got for rollover. Pretty good. 20, 40, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 73. So this is what I did not spend from my wallet in the past 2 weeks. I'm going to set this aside. This is going to go towards savings challenges. So yay. I feel burnt out. I feel like I am basically working at Etsy just to pay taxes. That's literally what I feel like. I am not really making like any profit, at least in terms of like last year's numbers. I want to say my profit was probably like a few $1,000s all said and done, but that doesn't even like take into consideration my time. So it's probably literally like almost zero profit. And I'm at the point where I'm like, what should I do? Because I don't know. It's just like, why am I doing all of this? I just feel really stressed out about having to pay taxes and having to make sure I save up $1,000, because at the rate I'm going, first of all, I am pulling money from like other areas just to make sure I have enough for taxes, like quarterly taxes, which it shouldn't be like that. All the tax money should come from my side hustles. And I'm trying to do $1,000 per quarter this time because I owed so much in taxes this year. I still haven't filed. I don't want to be as surprised next time. I want to try to be more prepared. But $1,000 is such a stretch for me. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that every quarter. And so, I don't know. I'm just like at a crossroads right now. I'm just really thinking, I kind of need to decide like now though, because if I'm going to stop the Etsy shop, you know, I need to do it now, because if I start, the first quarterly tax payment is due next month already. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know your thoughts. I don't want to stop. I love doing Etsy. I love creating things. I have so much fun with it. I actually got an idea last night for a new game that I want to make. So I don't know. That was my binder falling. I'm just at a crossroads. I'm just kind of stressed. I'm kind of burnt out. It's a lot of pressure trying to think of new items all the time. Already I feel like my last drop was a little bit ago and I have not one new item created for a next launch. I don't know. I just feel some type of way. I don't want to go to like a launch only shop because I personally don't see the point in that. I have all of my stuff available at all times because I can make it anytime. So I don't really see the point of a launch. Yeah, I already do launches anyway. And so I don't know. I don't just want to like close the shop and only open it at certain times. I don't know, you guys. I wanted to be candid with you and let you all know that it has been on my mind. And so, yeah, that's just what I wanted to chat about today. Okay, let's stuff these sinking funds. This is going towards Penelope, my dog. This challenge was from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It was actually her Christmas card. If there's any coughing in the video, I'm sorry. I'm still a little like not 100% from being sick. And I'm just like needing to cough and kind of clear my throat a lot. So this should be 40, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. $40 going in here. And I am going to need to get a little bit of change to put in my wallet. So actually, let's see, 10, 15, 20. I'm just going to do that now so that that is done. And today is Friday, March 21st. I'm filming this a little bit later than I normally do. So happy Friday once again. And tomorrow is my son's birthday. He's going to be 7, and I just cannot believe it. It's just absolutely crazy how fast time flies. So yeah. All right, let's see what we have in here now. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 22. Man, that's a lot of ones. I would like to get rid of some of those. So let me know what you're up to. Do you have any plans this weekend? I am actually getting a massage tomorrow. I originally had it scheduled for the beginning of March. So every year this happens to me. I schedule my next massage appointment at my prior one. So whatever massage I have like towards the end of the year, October, November, December, whatever, I usually try to schedule my next one around my birthday just to treat myself. So my birthday is March 3rd. So I always schedule it around there. And every year it gets canceled and rescheduled because we have a parade in that town for St. Patrick's Day. And it always happens to land on that weekend. And of course, I never remember that when I'm scheduling the appointment. So that happened again this year. So I was supposed to have the massage again earlier this month, and then it got rescheduled until tomorrow. But so I have a massage, and then it's my son's birthday tomorrow. We don't have any plans though. He did get some money for his birthday from my mom because she's not going to see him on his actual birthday, so she already gave him his card, and he did get a card in the mail from a relative. So I may take him shopping so he can pick out something, maybe a Lego set or something like that. We'll see. Okay, we have $50 to go towards kids, so let's put that in. And this challenge was from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. Cute little snowman winter challenge. Boy, am I glad that it is officially spring. So happy about that. Okay, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50 going in. So that's good. I'm trying to really bump up this category because we're going to need it with braces and dental stuff. We are going to the orthodontist, I think next week with my son. And so, okay, I'm very sorry. I got a phone call and was interrupted, so I have no idea what I was saying. Okay, so now for kids, we have 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 125. I told you tomorrow is Rowan's birthday. And the kids are going to be starting T-ball soon. Where did I put? Oh, up here. Okay. I was looking for the other finished challenge. They're going to be starting T-ball soon. And so, yeah, that should be fun. Ivy keeps saying she doesn't want to play. It will obviously be her first year. We will see if she actually ends up playing or not. I don't know. Okay, last but not least, we're going to do medical. And then we're actually going to come back to the sinking funds again to do my regular like paycheck stuffing. So we're just kind of jumping around today, but that's okay. All right, I do need another, okay, this one has a back. Let's see, today is what, 3/21. So yeah, I have been spending in medical lots of copays. The last 4 entries here are $30, which is my copay. So just spending out of this. All right, so for medical, we finished my snowball fight game. That's in my Etsy shop, and this should be 39, 10, 25, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39. So we're gonna add that in. So that is just about the amount of a copay. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't know. I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on, really. So like I said, let me know how your weekend, like if you have any plans for this weekend or what. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 119. So that is good. Just completely lost what I was gonna say. All right, so let's stuff the wallet, and we only have a couple sinking funds, and then you will be on your way. Let me know, like I said, about the Etsy shop. Like, what are your thoughts? I'm not saying I'm gonna do anything. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know, but I'd like to know your thoughts and opinions below. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 180. So 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. So 150 right off the bat goes in my wallet, and then I have, let me actually do the 2 5s there just in case. This goes in my wallet. I don't use cash envelopes anymore. I just put it all in the wallet. So that is done. And let's take a look at the budget and see which sinking funds we're doing. I do have a couple of these spiral bound budget planners still available in my shop if you're interested in grabbing one. Can't believe it's the last paycheck of March. We're gonna be able to do our sinking funds count up after this and everything. It's just, the time just flies. Okay, let's see. So we did the wallet, and then I was gonna put $20 towards vacation, but because you guys know I already fully funded that, I decided to put it towards car maintenance, and then 20 towards beauty, because I do have my appointment tomorrow, which I do have a gift card for. So 20 of beauty is going to be cash, and then for car maintenance 10 of that is going to be cash and 10 is going to be prop. So this is how I just denote for myself what's in cash and what's in prop money. That way when I go to do my deposit into Ally, my high yield, I just count up anything that's in prop. So we need just $10 in prop money here. I happen to have 2 5s here, so I'm just gonna use that instead of pulling a 10. So let's pull the binders back out. Car maintenance is gonna get 20. which is $10 in cash and $10 in prop money. I did get in the mail my renewal for my, I guess, registration, which is like 50 or 60, I can't remember exactly. And that's due, I want to say the end of May or the end of April. So I obviously need money for that. This will cover that, but yeah. If I pay online, then I have to deposit this into the bank and pay it. I don't know. It's just, I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, so 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I just couldn't count. 119 there in car maintenance. And then last but not least, we're going to put $20 into beauty. Again, I do have a gift card for tomorrow, which I better make sure that I take out now and put it in my wallet. But I did tell you guys, I do want to get a haircut, just a trim, before we go away. And I also want to get a mani-pedi before we go away as well. Here is my gift card from Valentine's Day for my husband. And so let's see what we have in here now, because I don't know if this will be enough to cover everything. So the gift card is $75. I want to say a massage is $75 or $80, so I'll just need to basically cover that extra $5 potentially, plus the tip. And then in cash now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 110. So that's definitely going to be enough for a haircut. A haircut is probably around 50 or so plus tip. It won't cover the mani-pedi in addition to the haircut, but I usually honestly just pull that money from the vacation money for the mani-pedi, because I'm technically considering it as part of my vacation. It's like my pre-vacation like ritual. So I could just pull the money from there. I definitely have more than enough in my vacation fund to pay for that, and so that is probably what I'll do. That way I still have a little bit of money in beauty. That way it's not completely cleared out, so that'll be good. Okay, my friends, I know this one was a little bit longer, a little bit chattier. Thank you for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I am going to go film the savings challenge video. I'm so grateful for you all. Please let me know your thoughts on closing up the Etsy shop, what you guys think. If you're a fellow shop owner, are you feeling the burnout like I am? Let's just chat in the comments. All right. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.